Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can actually change your nickname for different Discord servers, so that when you join a specific Discord server, you have a different nickname than your original nickname on Discord. It's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is hop onto your Discord application, sign into your account, and from there go down to the bottom left of your screen where the user settings appear. Now from here we go down to the user settings and we go into profiles, and inside profiles we have a tab called server profiles. Now right here you can choose a server where you want to change your nickname to. Now hence make sure that it is possible in the server where you're in, because not all servers allow this option, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Now let's say I want to change my nickname on Sons of the Forest Discord server, so simply select the server, go to the server nickname, and here you can change it to whatever you like. How to tag. Now from there you can save the changes, and now when I open up the Sons of the Forest server, my nickname will be changed to the one I'm having right here. It's easy as that. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.